Hi, I'm Pam from the Lincoln Library. This video will give you a little tour of our library website. I'm starting on lec.edu, scrolling down to Library. And you can see we have a number of colored boxes which we'll go through, but underneath, first I want you to see on the left Storm Search, which is where we can search for particular books and magazine journal articles and things like that by author or title, or we can just do some research by subject by putting in a keyword. To the right of that are our normal semester hours, and underneath Storm Search and the hours are the contact information for Gina and I, your two librarians. Now I'm going to go back up to the colored boxes. On the left is hours and frequently asked questions. So you can see you can get quick answers to things about finding books and borrowing laptops and how to print. And I'm going to show you video tutorials, a list of all the videos that I've made, like this one, that explain things about how to you can see how to find textbooks, how to find books, and how to do research from our library website. And then I'm going up to hours and location. This on the left will be the most up-to-date hours. If we happen to be closed for a holiday or have extended hours for finals week and that sort of thing, that's where you can find that. I'm going to go back to the main page. The second box from the left, renew here. So if you have any books or laptop that you've borrowed and you need to renew, then you would ignore this search box in the middle, but go up to the upper right where it says login. Then you'd put in your name and LEC ID number, and then you'd be able to renew anything. This middle box, citing sources. So if you're doing assignment for class where you need to do research, and so you actually have sources, then you need to cite them, list them, that sort of thing. So these tabs on the top are for each type of citation style that your instructor may tell you to use. And then there are several links to the rules about how to cite your sources and just write your paper and that kind of thing. And a couple of extra links on the bottom for more specific citing sources. And then the second from the right, this box is research guides. They list alphabetically by subject. You click on any one of those subjects, and there are links to specific databases where you can do your research. So most of those databases are included in Storm Search. Using the research guides is a different way to do your research. And then finally, on the far right is information literacy. So on the left side, a little explanation of what scholarly sources are. If you're doing research for a class assignment, your instructors may want you to use scholarly resources. It explains that. And on the right, a little bit of explanation of popular sources, which would be not scholarly, explaining how to decide if these sources are reliable, even if you're just talking about news and things you may see online that don't have anything to do with class. You can use these tools on these pages to help you figure out if you should trust those sources. And that's it. Again, here are the contact information for your friendly librarians. So please contact us or visit us if you have any questions. Thank you.